Hello everyone, in this exercise of Autocad, I will make this title block. This title block of size is 200 is the length and this total height is 70 mm. Okay, I will draw these lines 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines at a distance of 10 mm. Okay, first I will draw this portion. And there are the three vertical columns 20, 25, 30. Okay, and these are the sheet. You might have studied the sheet sizes. A4 is 200, 297, A3 is 297, 420, A2 is 420 into 594. Actually, these are the portrait orientation sizes. This is the width. This is the length, height. This is the height, width and height. But I will use the landscape portrait. Now I will make this title block of size 270 mm with the help of the rectangle command. This one, when you open the AutoCAD, this interface comes. Now you select from here, you can select ACAD ISO DWT this way. Now if you press UN, enter this decimal and precision, you can change here 0 or insertion scale millimeter international. Okay, now I select this rectangular command or this one. This length is 200 tab 70 mm, enter. Now press middle mouse button and drag and rotate the middle mouse button, scroll button towards monitor side to zoom, and this one in this way. Now first I will draw at a distance of 10 mm 5 lines here. So offset 10 mm, enter, select this line. Sorry, first I will explode it, explode, enter. Now these has broken into individual object. You will see these are individual lines. Now offset 10 mm, enter, select object this and multiple option. Now I will just click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and escape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you see this, these are the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines here. Okay. Now I will draw this in vertical columns. Offset 20, enter this one. Now select this one 25, enter this 30, enter. These three vertical columns I have made and enter out of the command. Now trim the unnecessary part in order to keep the clarity in your mind. Try to keep and trim the unnecessary part after making the object so that there should be clarity in your mind. So how? Trim, enter. Now all edges are cutting edges. You select in this way, trims. Okay. Now you also trim this one, this portion. Okay, and enter out of the command. Now one more offset here, 10 mm, enter this one, and this distance is 30 mm. So select this one and 30, enter. Now this I have made. Now enter out of the command, trim, enter, click this one and this one and this one. This is not trimming. Why? Because intersecting stops, crossing stops. That's why this is not trimming. So enter out of the command, erase command, select this one, enter. This is the So if you see, I have made this portion 3 sections, and this is I've divided in the 2 parts. First I will write this text here. So you can insert the logo also here. How? You go here, insert, attach, and from here I have made this logo. This open. Okay. Now outside scale factor, suppose 0.2, enter. This is it. Now select it and or go into home, move command, select this one, move command, move command, this one, select and this one. In this way you can move this logo. Now slightly zoom it. Now in this way, and slightly small it. This one. You can change the transparency from here. This one in this way, and contrast you make it here. Okay. Now escape, home button. This one. Now I will write the text here. This is the name of the company. I will write the text with the help of the single line text. This one. Single line text. Click and height, approximately height, suppose 6, enter. Rotation angle, I am giving the rotation angle 0, enter. Now you can write capital name of company here. Now command is still active. You can write it here, click here. Command is still active. Click here and or enter out of the command. This one. Now you can move, and when you this text highlights, click there and move base, enter, select base point and this one, second point, this one. Now again single line text, click anywhere and give the height. This time I am giving the height 4 mm, enter. Rotation angle 0, enter. Now I am giving here name. If you see here, name here, name and date. Enter, this one. Now you can copy it, or you can again take it single line text. This one, zoom it, single line text, click, height is this time 3, enter rotation angle 0, enter this one, date, DATE, this one, enter, out of the, you have to press enter 2 times. Okay, now this one, you can move it, and when text highlights, click there, enter in this, move command, highlight, enter, select base point and this one. In the same way, this one, move command, when the text highlight, then click, enter, give the base point and this. In this way you can adjust this. Okay, you can make the text with the multiple text also, but I am making single line text. Okay, move, select, enter, base point and this one. No, undo, move, highlight this one, enter this one in this way. Then you can move in this way. Okay, or now I will copy these text, copy text, enter, base point here, this, and also write this here, this one, and one is this one, one is this one, one is here, this one, enter, out of the box. Now if you see, here is the drawn, checked, reference, approved. Okay, double click, drawn by DRAW, drawn, enter, double click, checked, 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 enter, double click, check, reference, enter, double click, approved, 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 enter. Now escape, you can move it. How you can move it? Move, select, enter, base point and click. No, slightly zoom it, move, select, enter, base point and click here. Okay, in this way also. Move, when the text highlight, click, enter, base point, this one, this is slightly bigger. Okay, and also this one, move, click, enter, base point and this one. Now here, scale, double click, scale, SCALE, this one, enter, double click, title, 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 enter, double click, drawing number, DRAWING, number, this one, enter, this one, sheet 1 of 1, this one, enter. Now escape, move command, select this one, enter, base point and this one, sheet 1, drawing number, title, scale, this one here. Okay, now I will scale this one because these are the big size. This is going out of this shell. How you can scale it? Scale and select it. Enter base point, this one, and now move it. Select it, enter base point, this one. Now this way, or you can scale, select it, enter base point and this one, or scale it, this, enter, second point. This way you can. Now what is left out, you will see drawing number, sheet number. I will make this is the projection symbol. Okay, and you can write also the name of the company here, this one. How you can slightly zoom it? First draw a line here, uncheck endpoint, click, draw a line, ortho on, draw a straight line here, enter in order to repeat the command. This one, enter, circle, again circle, this one. Now line, track this point, this, track this point, this. Now taper, ortho off, track this point, ortho, click and close. Okay, now this I made, but these two are center lines, so I will make a layer here, layer, new layer, center, color is same, continuous. I will make a center lines, press anywhere, press C, this, okay, this, okay. I made this layer and close this box. Okay, now select this line and this vertical line and layer center. Now, escape, but the scale is not changing, so press LTS, enter, scale factor you give 0.2, enter. Now the scale change, further reduce, LTS, enter, 0.1, 10, enter. Now changes. Okay, this way it is changed. Match properties, you can also take it, match properties, select this one and this one, enter. Let's move it, or undo this one. This is slightly going outside, to reduce the scale here. Reduce, select this, enter, base point, undo it, scale, select this, enter, zoom it, slightly zoom it. It is catching another point actually. And click here. Now you can move it. Select, enter, base point, and slightly move it in this way. Or click OK. Now I have made, if you see, I have completed this title block. This one. You can name the company also here. Suppose slightly zoom it, single line text. You can make with multi-line text also. Click here and suppose 6. 6 is the height. Enter, rotation angle 0. Enter this one. You can name the CAD KNOW LED center. This one. Okay. Enter 2 times. Sorry, this. Escape. No. Single line text. This height is, suppose I am taking 6. Enter. Rotation angle 0. Enter. This one. CAD KNOW LEDGE center. CENTER center. Okay. Enter. 2 times enter. Okay. Now you can move it or scale it. Move command. This, select, enter. Ortho off, this one. You can write it here. Okay, in this way you can write. Okay. Now I have made this title block here, this one. Now I will make the sheets of these sizes. A4, 210 into 297 mm. Actually, these are the portrait sizes. Width in the portrait size is this one, height is this one. But I will make width 297 and height is 210 in the landscape side. How I will make this one? This one. Now. Offset distance. This distance I will take 297. Landscape 297. Enter. This distance and this side. Again select this line and this height 210. Enter out of the column. This one. Now I will join this one. How? Fillet command. Fillet, enter. Sorry. Fillet command. Radius 0. Enter. Now multiple option. Press shift key. Shift key. This, you have to press shift key. This, and this one. Now this size is 297 in this one and 200 height is 210. Okay, save it. I am saving it. Suppose I save A4 sheet. SHEET. A4 sheet. You can take it capital. A4 sheet. Okay, and save it. Documents. Now I will make another sheet. You will see I will make this size 297 into 420. These are the portrait orientation. I will make the landscape. So in the landscape 420 will be the width and height will be 297. I will make this one. How I will make it? Now erase this and this only. Enter. Now save as. You save as for different name. A3 sheet. Now I am saving with the name A3. Now how? Again offset, horizontal distance will be 420. Enter. Select this line and this one, and this line is 297. Enter. Now enter. Out of the command, fillet radius 0. Enter. Multiple. Now press shift key. This one, press shift key. This one, and this one. Now this is the A3 sheet. This one, and save. So I have made 2 sheets here. Now and close it. Yes, I have made 2 sheets here. Okay. Now how I will use these 2 sheets which I have made. So go in the open here. I have made these 2 sheets, A4 and A3. First, suppose I use A3 sheets, for example. Open. No. First I will make a drawing. Open a drawing. Open. I have made one drawing here. This drawing. Open. First I open the drawing. Now the sheets which I have made, how I will use to go here. This one. Tab section. Insert. Attach, and here you will take drawing, all files or drawing, DWG, and this A3 sheet. Suppose I use this one. This window will come. At send this, you can setting, you can check, specify on the screen, reference, and this one. Okay. Now slightly zoom minus. Press. Scroll the middle mouse button towards your side. This one. This is coming, and insert here somewhere. Okay. Now you will see the sheet is coming in the block form. Okay. So how you can move it? Home, move button. Select this one. This is actually block, and enter base point. And our purpose is to enclose, fit this drawing which I have opened. This one. This is it. You can scale it if you want to scale it. Suppose you want to scale as per, if your drawing size is big, you can increase the scale or decrease the scale. For example, scale, enter. No, sorry. Scale. Select this, enter. Base point is this one, and if you want to increase or decrease, you can give it this one in this way. You can also use the reference option. Scale, this, enter. If you see the reference option, this one, select it, and reference is, suppose this is reference, and new reference I have made this one. Ortho on. You can make any reference here as per your drawing. This one. Now this is made. If you want to print it, go in the print section, and this DWG PDF, you can select the required size. Here is the A3 size. ISO, you can select ISO A3 size. A to A3. This one. ISO A3 size. 420. This one. Or here you can select window. Select this window from here to here, and center the plot. And here you can change necessary change here. Displayed this one. No. Preview. This is right. In this way you can use this drawing sheet which I have made. Okay, cancel, and I am cancelling, not saving it. No, I am not saving it. Another way of using this drawing, you can make a template of which you have sheets. For example, open. I suppose I have made this size sheets. I have made two sheets, A3 size and this one with title block. Open it. Now you have made this one. Now you can make a template. You can make the necessary modification. You can make the layers here layers and the center line you can insert here. Okay. Now you save. You can save it as a template. So you can go in the save as, this option, save as. Here you can go here, this one, the AutoCAD drawing template, this one. Okay, in the template you give the name. Suppose this is the A4 sheet, A4 sheet template, this one. Save it. Okay, this box will come. You can write something here. Okay, and this one. Now close it. This is closed. Now how you will bring this template? You can bring here from here, this one. You will see here template, this one, this template, or you can also search from here. Here browse template, this one, A4 template, this one. Now you can work in here. You can make the drawing here, this one, this circle, this drawing, this one. So you can make different template for the different side of sheets. This side, A4 side, A3 side, and A2 side, A1 side, A0 side. In this way you can make the different templates and start working in that. Some people has a habit to work in the template, so later on there is no need to make the first insert the sheet, the template, and then make the drawing. As per your drawing, you can select the templates. You make the templates. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this success. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.